Meaning of incumbent.
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 Incumbent. The word incumbent is used to describe someone who currently holds a specific position or office, especially in politics. It refers to the person or group of people who have already been elected, appointed, or installed into a particular role or job, and who are currently serving in that capacity. This term is typically used in reference to individuals who are seeking re-election or who are running for office against an incumbent candidate. The use of the word incumbent implies a certain advantage or privilege that comes with occupying a position of power or authority.